If you love smoked salmon like me, you are going to love this creamy smoked salmon dip. It is so easy to put together and tastes almost too good. You're gonna love it.
We need some shallot. A heaping tablespoon of minced shallot is perfect. It adds a sweet onion flavor that works so well with the salmon. Next, some fresh herbs. We'll add these last so we don't bruise them, but let's prep them now. We want 2 tablespoons of chopped chives and a tablespoon of chopped fresh dill. I'm always generous with fresh herbs, so I'm a bit more relaxed with measurements here. Fresh lemon juice brightens up all the flavors in our dip, so go ahead and slice one in half. Now I'm using my stand mixer, but you can just as easily use a large mixing bowl with an electric hand mixer. Here's 8 ounces of softened cream cheese. We want it pretty close to room temperature so it blends into our dip. Beat that on medium-low until a bit whipped and creamy. Scrape it all down back into the bowl and add a half cup of sour cream, a half cup of mayonnaise, our shallot, and 1.5 teaspoons of lemon juice or close to it. For rich flavor, add Worcestershire sauce or pick-a-pepper sauce. Both work nicely in this salmon dip. We only need a teaspoon. Now grind in some black pepper and season with a pinch of salt. Beat all of this together until blended, then add your smoked salmon. I've got 8 ounces of hot smoked salmon here. It has a rich, smoky flavor. If you aren't as fond of hot smoked salmon as me, substitute some or all of it for cold smoked or cured salmon, like a gravlax. I'm flaking the salmon apart with my fingers and adding it right into the bowl. If you use cold smoked or cured salmon, consider chopping the salmon beforehand. Turn the mixer on low and beat in the salmon. Now toss in the fragrant chives and dill. Mix on low until they are throughout the dip. This dip is incredible straight away, but it is even better after a night in the fridge. This is great news because the salmon dip is fantastic for making in advance. It keeps in the fridge for up to 4 days. I love serving it with kettle chips, but you can also serve it with crackers, sliced bread, or for breakfast with bagels. It is so good. See you next time.